Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear educarians. I hope you all are taking a great care of yourselves in the third wave of coronavirus. So I'm here with the first online lesson of class 7th social studies. Our today's topic is unit number 1, chapter number 5. So before you get seated, the material required is you need lead pencil, ruler, you need blue pen, blue marker along with your social studies notebook. So dear students, let's start our today's lecture, that is of geography, and the topic is unit number 1, our planet the earth. In this unit we are going to discuss chapter number 5, that is earthquakes and other natural disasters. मीन्स इसमें हम ज़लज़ले और दूसरे जो कुदरती आफात हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So the contents for today's lecture is earthquake, other natural disasters, weather, wind and weather water related disasters, and then we will do our notebook work. So students, by the end of this lesson you will be able to know about where does an earthquake occur, casualties in earthquake कि कितना जानी और माली नुकसान हुआ था, and what are the other related disasters in the earthquake. So here are some points that you have to remember these points. The very first is disaster. Disaster क्या होता है? एक आफत को कहते हैं, आफत को कहते हैं. A sudden accident or a natural catastrophe, कोई ऐसी तबाही जो कुदरती तौर पे हो, that causes great damage or loss of life. Natural in accordance with the nature of जो कुदरती तौर पर होता है. Hurricanes, a storm with a violent wind. Avalanches, a mass of snow, ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain side जो बर्फानी होते हैं. Epidemic, a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in a community at a particular time. कोई भी ऐसी बीमारी जो सिर्फ एक ही कम्युनिटी में हो या सिर्फ एक ही कंट्री में हो, that is the epidemic. Just like earthquake, अगर ज़लज़ला आता है वो सिर्फ किसी एक कंट्री में या स्पेसिफिक जगह पे आता है, पूरी दुनिया में नहीं आता. And in the same way the pandemic is these days the coronavirus जो कि पूरी दुनिया में आया हुआ है. So there is a difference between epidemic and pandemic. Next we have tidal waves, a large ocean wave, especially one caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruptions. So let's start with the natural disasters. कुदरती आफात. Natural disasters are the fury of nature. Fury means गुस्सा, ग़ज़ब. The extreme sudden events triggered by natural geological changes, often dramatically altering and sometimes destroying our natural and made environments. ये जो अचानक से ये हादसात होते हैं, जो नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर्स आते हैं अचानक से, इनकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो ज़मीन पे चेंजिंग्स होती हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा तबाही हो जाती है. These events can cause severe injuries to people and damage to property. इन हादसात की वजह से जो हैं वो काफ़ी लोग जो हैं वो ज़ख्मी हो जाते हैं और उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो डैमेज हो जाती है. For example, earthquakes, ज़लज़ले, tsunamis, hurricanes, समंदरी तूफान, windstorms, floods, सैलाब, avalanches, tidal waves. Since for most of these disasters we are not ready. Obviously, जब natural disaster कुदरती आफात आती हैं तो किसी को बता कर नहीं आती, तो इसलिए इसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो ज़मीन पर नुकसान हो जाता है. They catch us off guard and do maximum damage to the environment. और इनकी वजह से माहौल में बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो तबाही हो जाती है. An earthquake is also known as quake, tremor and trembler is the obvious and noticeable shaking of the surface of the earth. The shaking of earth is due to the sudden release of energy in the earth's crust. जो ये अचानक से ज़लज़ले आते हैं, that is because of shaking of earth and due to the release of energy in the earth's crust. Earthquake intensity is measured by seismometers. इन्हें seismometer से measure किया जाता है. The most common scale of measuring earthquakes is called movement magnitude, जिसमें पता चलता है कि ज़लज़ले की शिद्दत कितनी है. On this scale, since a measurement of 5 or greater is considered as significant earthquake category, all earthquakes larger than 5 are reported for entire globe. अगर तो magnitude 5 हो तो वो means कहते हैं कि ये बर्दाश्त हो जाएगा जहाँ पे भी ज़लज़ला आया है. But if it is more than 5 तो ये फ़ौरन से जो है वो रिपोर्टिंग कर दी जाती है कि सब लोग जो है वो अपनी हिफाजत कर लें. So a magnitude of 3 or lower earthquakes are mostly weak and insignificant. मतलब ये बहुत weak होते हैं. 3 magnitude हो तो इसका मतलब बस बहुत slight सा कोई ज़लज़ला आया. Whereas a magnitude of 7 and more potentially cause serious damage over larger areas depending on their depth. उनकी जितनी गहराई होती है इस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. Earthquakes are caused by the rupture of geological faults. ज़लज़ले जो हैं वो ज़मीन में जब कोई ख़राबी आती है उस वजह से भी होते हैं. एंड अर्थक्वेक्स पॉइंट ऑफ इनिशियल रप्चर इज कॉल्ड इट्स फोकस और हाइपोसेंटर, जहाँ से अर्थक्वेक जलजिले का फोकस होता है, मीन्स जहाँ से वो ओरिजिनेट होता है. द एपिसेंटर इज द पॉइंट एट ग्राउंड लेवल डायरेक्टली अबव द हाइपोसेंटर, और एपिसेंटर वो पॉइंट होता है जहाँ पर जलजिला आया हो. मोस्ट ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक एनर्जी इज यूज टू पावर अर्थक्वेक ग्रोथ. अर्थक्वेक यूजुअली रेज अर्थ्स टेम्परेचर, जैसे ही जलजिला आता है उसकी वजह से अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है. So dear students, now all of you open your social studies notebooks. As our previous index was, we did unit number 1 chapter number 1 Umayyads of history, then we did unit number 1 chapter number 1 plate tectonics of geography, then we did unit number 1 chapter number 2 Abbasids, and now our today's index is of geography, unit number 1 chapter number 5 earthquakes and other natural disasters. So all of you prepare your index page first of all. Coming to the next one page, we have to make the title page. As our unit is our planet the earth, then chapter number 5, that is earthquakes and other natural disasters. Here we will do reading, vocabulary words, question answers and worksheet. So coming to the next one page, we will prepare the page for timeline page that contains earthquakes, natural disasters, weather, wind and weather water disasters. Now coming to the next one page, prepare your page, write down date, today's task, your topic, that is unit number 1, chapter number 5, earthquakes and other natural disasters. We will do its vocabulary words first of all. Draw 2 lines in between, write words, English meaning and Urdu meaning. The very first word is disaster. The meaning is a sudden accident or a natural catastrophe that cause great damage or loss of life. मतलब ऐसी अचानक से ऐसी तबाही जो ज़िंदगियाँ ख़त्म कर दे, that is a disaster, वो एक आफत है. So write down the meaning, that is आफत. Natural, in accordance with the nature, कुदरती. Hurricanes, a storm with a violent wind, समंदरी तूफान. Avalanches, a mass of snow, ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain side, that is barfani tode. Epidemic, a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in the community at a particular time, that is called waba. So all of you write down in a very neat handwriting. Coming to the next one page, prepare your page, write down date, today's task, your topic, that is unit number 1, chapter number 5, earthquakes and other natural disasters. Now we will start the question answers. So the very first question is, how do natural disasters occur? कुदरती आफत किस तरह से आती हैं? So the answer is, natural disasters are the fury of nature, the extreme sudden events triggered by natural geological changes, often dramatically altering and sometimes destroying our natural and made environments. These events can cause severe injuries to people and damage to property. ये बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो नुकसान पहुंचा सकती हैं और ज़ख्मी कर सकती हैं लोगों को और तबाही हो सकती है. For example, earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, windstorms, floods, avalanches, tidal waves, समंदरी लहरें. So all of you write down this question number 1 on your notebooks in a very neat handwriting. Also draw the margin lines. Now come to the next one page, prepare your page, write down today's task, mention the topic. Now we will do question number 2, that is differentiate between hypocenter and epicenter. Draw a line in between, write down hypocenter and epicenter. What is hypocenter? An earthquake's point of initial rupture is called its focus or hypocenter. The epicenter is the point at ground level directly above the hypocenter. जो बिल्कुल hypocenter के ऊपर होता है, that is the epicenter. और जहाँ पे ज़लज़ला आता है उस point को क्या कहते हैं? epicenter कहते हैं. Coming to the next one page, prepare the page, write down the topic. Question number 3. What is the most common scale of measuring earthquake? कौन सा स्केल होता है जिससे अर्थक्वेक मेजर होता है? द मोस्ट कॉमन स्केल ऑफ मेजरिंग अर्थक्वेक्स इज कॉल्ड मोमेंट मैग्नीट्यूड, जिससे पता चलता है कि ज़लज़ले की शिद्दत कितनी है. ओके, नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर टास्क टू डू. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू लर्न एंड राइट वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स ऑफ यूनिट नंबर 1 चैप्टर नंबर 5. Then you will also write and learn question answers 1 till 3 on notebooks of unit number 1 chapter number 5. That's all. Okay, now is the time for good manners that are about cough and sneeze etiquette. as you all know about the current situation of the COVID, so you must wear a mask. You must cover with tissue while sneezing, or otherwise if you don't have a tissue, then cover with your elbow. These are the cough and sneeze etiquette as well, and as well as the current situation about the corona. So you must adopt these things on the daily basis to keep yourselves healthy and stable. So dear students, I hope the lecture was really interesting and you learned a lot from today's lesson. So all of you take care of yourselves. Till the next lesson, Allah Hafiz.